guys, how's everyone doing? It is New Year's Eve 2016. Today we're driving to Istanbul, Turkey, from Thessaloniki. Navigation says it is a 7-hour drive at 560 kilometers. Hopefully it won't take that long. 560 kilometers, so I think it should be okay. Weather outside is looks cold, no wind. Should be a little bit of snow on the way in Greece, and then just generally I think it's wet in Istanbul is the weather. It's 8:30 at the moment. Hopefully we'll be on the road in about an hour max. And then looking to get there, it's going to take 7 hours. They'll be in Istanbul for 4:30, 5 o'clock. And then we'll go from there. No plans really once we get to Istanbul. So that's it so far, that's the plan.
Coming out of Thessaloniki, much later than what we were hoping it would be. It's 10:30. So we're about an hour and a half behind schedule. So I'm going to get to Istanbul, touch wood, 6:30, 7, probably going to be dark, unfortunately. Just on the old Thessaloniki ring road. Way now. I think all the way to the border now is well, all the way to the border anyway. I think it's finished. The weather forecast said there's snow going to be around Kamotani, so we'll see if that's going to pan out. So just coming out of Lagada over the hill, going in on the way to Ceres, and there's snow. And peace stuff though. I don't know if you can see this on the side of the road. No sign of this in Thessaloniki, but hills are white here. I don't know if you can see into the distance over there. The hills have got snow on them. This is the road. Basically, I haven't been to Istanbul before in my life. I haven't been to Turkey before, but I think when the road is like this, I'm thinking all the way to the border now. This is I think it's the E75 is the European number for this road. It goes from God knows where to Turkey to Istanbul. It's the main road that goes across the north of Greece. Basically, it links Italy with Turkey. As you can see, it's just rammed with traffic. I mean, it really needed, Greece needed this road badly because there was simply too much traffic for the old road to handle. Normally, I don't like tolls, but I'm not too bothered about those there because you have the choice. You can go on the old road or you can go on this road. So I only have issue with tolls if they destroy the old road in the process, but for this specific part at least, you can still go on the old road. So these are the top of the mountains. This is going to be top of third leg of Halkidiki, probably around 800 meters maximum, I would say. I've got two legs here. I just showed them in that short time lapse. It's on a tectonic fault. That's why those legs are there, I believe. Volvi and Magalo Volvi. Magalo. Magali Volvi and Mikri Volvi. This is Magali, and it is huge. It's massive, like. It's much bigger than what it looks on the map. And this is the new road. As I said before, it's actually an old road on the right, which I didn't know existed. This must be a great road. One day I'm going to go and drive that road for sure. Past a place called, I can never get the name right, it's like Pangaion Hills or something, Pangaion Hills or something. It's there it is anyway. So the clouds have come now, you can't really see it, but you can see it from there. They're probably the most deceiving hills I've ever seen, because they don't look, it doesn't really look like much from here. But the peak of that hill is a mile in the air from where we are. It's a mile higher than what we are. 1.6 kilometers in the air, that is, from where we are at the moment. And let's say it's probably at an angle of 30 degrees, so we're probably 3 miles from the base of this hill. It's very deceiving. How do I know? Because I tried to climb it once. I thought it was a afternoon jobby, but after 3 hours of climbing I was only about halfway up it, so it's really, really big. Plus it's so high I started to get a bit of vertigo and dizziness up there. It's really, really, really big scenery up there. Huge scenery. I want to come back one day and climb it to the top, but I'm not sure if I can do it in a day. I think maybe it's a 2-day job. It's just outside Kavala. We're going to go past Kavala in about 10 minutes, I think. Got a town up here on the left. 33 kilometers. I've taken some photos from the top of this, and if I don't, from these hills, and they're pretty spectacular. If I do say so myself. As you can see, we've got a lot of snow going on here in this area. Just getting closer to Kavala. It must be 20k now. We're on the still on exit here. We'll be on exit here until we get to the border, but it gets a bit twisty around here. This road is actually quite new, but you can see that it's already starting to get destroyed, the road surface. What can I say? I'm very disappointed that the roads are not better quality. I came on this when it first opened and it was fantastically smooth, but now it's a disappointment because it is a great series of corners here. So enough of my rambling about road quality. So we can just see the oh, it is Thasos, sorry. There's some big mountains out there in the sea. No idea what they were. I thought it was the bottom of the third leg, but it looks like it is. Thasos. Is it Thasos? I think it's an island there.
Thasos.
Thasos, I think. Because there's no coming up to the first signs for Turkey now. Just passing Alexandroupoli. And this is the furthest east I've ever been in my life. So we're still here. It's 14:42. The driver's gone to an office to get some to get the facts from the owner of the car. So just waiting for that at the moment. It's very chilly here, I tell you. Seems cold. It's going to be 2-3. As you can see, it's snowing. We arrived Hotel Fer in the old city, Istanbul. Parked the car at the street there. Just going to check in now and we'll find out where we're going to park the car for the night. So far, hotel looks absolutely amazing. So we're just going into the hotel. Looks fantastic. This is the just give you a quick tour. Got the hallway going into the room. What do we have here? Air conditioning, makeup room. So this is messages for room service, plugs, wardrobes. Nice. Got some dressing gowns. Got the old tea and coffee. Where's the facilities? No, tea and coffee. Got an espresso capsule. Oh, there's an espresso machine here. Covers empty. Oh, got a fridge. Some crisps, if you can see that. Chewing gum. Coca-Cola. Stock minibar. Minibar price list. Pause the video if you want to see it. Here's the bathroom. It's got some sort of stone tiles on it. Huge mirror. Nice taps, glasses. What do we have here? Body lotion, shower gel, air conditioner, shampoo. And some other bits and bobs. Loafer pad. Here's the bathroom, very nice. So we're
Now the Bosphorus Straits in this place has got absolutely banging sound system. Good to the place. I've been eating there. It's a bit of an anticlimax to me. So just leaving the bar.
We had 8 beers.
8 beers apparently, according to the bill.
We do have 8 beers.
Left them a huge tip because we didn't have aye. What are they doing here? What are they fucking doing? Just some guys are building up a park. Okay. So yeah, we give them a massive tip because they dug us out a bit of a hole, to be fair, except in euros. Because we didn't exchange enough beforehand, our fault completely. So we're going to a taxi rank now. Get a taxi back to the hotel. And then call it a night. We're going to call it a night. We're not going to go somewhere else for a beer now, are we? No, I don't think we are we? Because I haven't got the jacket for it either, to be fair.
Huh?
I haven't got the jacket for it. A little bit lost.
Huh?
Getting back to the hotel.
Oh, God.
Made it now though.
Don't be on the road. There's a car coming.
And then try not to get run over 5 minutes from the 5 meters from the hotel entrance. That would be very funny for my colleague here. Fair hotel, fantastic.